Grinds low moisture grains, wheat, corn, rice, etc., from coarse to fine. Grind wheat, oats, corn, rice, and other low moisture, low oil grains. This all-metal grain mill simply attaches to the hub of your stand mixer for quick and easy milling. Choose from cracked to extra fine consistency. For everything you want to make. KitchenAid. Cooking from scratch is made easier with the stand mixer, and made all the more literal with this grain mill attachment. Use it to make flour out of wheat, corn, rye, oats, rice, buckwheat, barley, and millet. Any low moisture, non-oily grain, peanuts and coffee are a no-no with this tool. Make up to 10 cups at a time. The mill is sturdy, heavy, and easy to assemble and attach to the mixer's hub. Adjust the knob to the desired grind, fill the unit with grains, and crank it up to 10. When you're through, brush it clean with the small brush included in the kit. If you need to, wash it by hand, but don't put it in the dishwasher. Betsy Danheim. Top reviews from the United States. Very smooth operation. I just received this today. Love Amazon's overnight ship. I followed the directions in the user manual to clean the mineral oil off the grinding wheels, and allow to dry thoroughly before reassembling and using. I make a 50% wheat bread that only requires a cup of wheat flour. I have a Ka Artisan, and I read many reviews, including some who said that the small motor on the Artisan will overheat with the mill running. That was not my experience at all. I ran the wheat through twice, once on a coarser setting and then on the finest setting. The flour was much finer than the gourmet wheat flour that I have been purchasing. I think that next time I will just run through once on maybe one notch away from the finest setting. I ran the mixer at slightly more than half speed. The mill ground very smoothly, and was much quieter and faster than I had expected. The mixer and mill barely got warmer than room temp. The mill seems so solid and well made that it inspires confidence. I'm very happy with this purchase.